One of the questions that I get a lot is, hey Ty, why do you share this system with so many people? Meaning the system that I use to go from working at Walgreens Pharmacy, right? And giving them 60 hours of my life every single week to now publishing short ebooks, 20 to 25 page ebooks on Amazon and generating $30,000 and more a month. So they say, Ty, why don't you just keep this to yourself? Why are you giving it away to so many people? Well, the reason why is, number one, now that I think about it, I was kind of selfish, right? Here I am making about $10,000 a month from a process that takes no special skill, no special effort, is extremely easy to do, can be done by a 15-year-old, and I don't want to share it with anyone. I thought about it. I said, Ty, you've been extremely blessed. You're someone that comes from the hood, never knew any ways of making money outside of working a 9-to-5, right? And exchanging time for money. You have escaped poverty to now create this lifestyle, to be able to create this lifestyle where I'm able to take my family around the planet, across the planet. We go on some amazing vacations. We've been to like Thailand and Italy and Spain and London a few times, to all over the US, to being able to drive some amazing cars, to just really having no worry about money. I said, I've gone from living in the hood to now living this life. Why am I not sharing this with as many people that need to see it as possible? I'll see you on the inside. Register right now. You don't want to miss this. Hey, Ty Cohen here, and guess what? I want to give you a new copy of my new book, Kindle Publishing Secrets. As you may or may not know, for the last 12 years, I've published content to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. I've created a Kindle publishing platform, or I should say a Kindle publishing powerhouse like no one in the industry. As a matter of fact, I was one of the first to start teaching Amazon Kindle publishing. I've been able to create an amazing lifestyle using what I teach in this book, and now this book is going to be yours for free, just by going to kindlecashflow.com. So when you go to kindlecashflow.com, not only will you get the book for free, but I'll also give you an exact 3-step process by video that shows you how you can go in and get started with Amazon Kindle Publishing, even if you have no clue as to how to do it, even if you are not a writer. All right, so you can do this if you're a writer, someone who enjoys writing, or if you're someone who doesn't really enjoy writing. I actually failed English 101 not once but twice in high school because I was not good at writing. But what you'll learn in this book is everything that has helped me and my students. I have students in over 100 countries around the planet that are crushing it, that are killing it, that are making insane amounts of income publishing books on Amazon. And I put it all in this book right here, and I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you the exact formula. I'm going to give you all 3 steps that you need to follow in order to be successful, and you'll get everything, the book for free, as well as the free video training when you go to kindlecashflow.com. Again, that URL is Kindle, Kindle, cash, cash, flow, flow.com. And when you go there, you're going to register. You'll enter your name and your email address. And after you register, I'll give you a copy of the book, and you'll get a free video that shows you the entire 3-step process to publishing content on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. This is going to be a game changer for you. It's not costing you anything. It's totally free, but I guarantee you that you'll remember the day that you got access to not only this, but also the free video that I'm giving you when you go over to kindlecashflow.com. So go ahead and do so right now. We only have a few copies left. We're only giving out a couple of 100 copies, and they're gonna probably go pretty quickly, right? So take a chance, go over to kindlecashflow.com, enter your name and email address. You'll see a form or a box that's over there, or maybe a link. You'll click on that link or enter your name and email address into the form that you see, and you'll get access to the book for free, and you'll also get access to the free training. Like I said, we're only giving away a few hundred copies. Once they are gone, this book will go on sale for $100. All right, it'll be $99 to be exact, because it's just that valuable. If I had to, someone asked me the other day, as a matter of fact, I was being interviewed on podcasts, and someone said, what price point would you put on the information that you contained in this book? And I would say about $50,000. Because it's not only helped me to make a ton of money over the years, way more than $50,000, probably much more than 10 times that. But it's also allowed me to help my students. I have students in over 100 countries. I have thousands and thousands and thousands of students. We have well over 10,000 students just in our Facebook group. And every day we're getting testimonials. Every single day we're getting videos and messages and posts from students that are crushing it, that are just generating massive amounts of income. And I put all of those secrets in this book. Secrets that I've used, things that I've used to just make a lot of money, and things that my students and my top coaches have used to make a lot of money as well. So what are you still doing watching this video? Go over to kindlecashflow.com, get your free copy if it's still available, and watch the training. I'll see you on the inside.